So now, welcome back. And now, I will show you how to self-test JRC NAVTEX receiver. Yeah. So, for the first step, click menu and arrow down, go to number 5, maintenance, click enter, click self-diagnosis, click enter, arrow down, start print, click enter, and now I will pronounce you husband and wife. So after that, wait for a couple of seconds for the alarm to sound. So this NAVTEX receiver NCR 333, the model, and that's it. Just waiting for the overall test to be good. So about 30 seconds to 1 minute it will alarm. Now one more, this 42095 kilohertz. So now all good. Please clear key or enter key to stop the beeping. Click OK, click enter. It will print here to the NAVTEX printer. So no, if no good appear, just restart printing or just repeat it again. That's it. So clear, and that's all for today's video. NAVTEX receiver self-test, and this is also your daily test for your GMDSS. That's it. Bye.